How to level up heroes quickly in Legend Fighter. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're looking to level up your heroes faster in Legend Fighter Mortal Battle, then first of all, launch open your Legend Fighter game on your device. Now go ahead and tap on the Allies option at the top right corner from the lobby screen. Now here, select the hero you want to level up quickly and go to the top left. You'll see a level up button, just tap on that. Drag the little slider blinking at the bottom and then click on the level up button. You'll need to spend some coins to level it up, and you have successfully leveled up your hero. To level up quickly, there are other methods. The first one is to complete the story campaign as far as possible to earn hero EXP coins and upgrade materials. Also make sure to finish the legendary hunter quests, and always make sure to upgrade your strongest hero first so that they can clear more difficult stages and unlock better rewards. So that's how you can easily level up your heroes quickly. Also, don't forget to log in daily to claim rewards, complete limited time events, and use all available energy before it refills to maximize your progression. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.